it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be reviewing the General's Kimberly Graphite drawing pencils in the hardness 8B, or I guess softness. So, I've done a review on these pencils before. I did the 6H and the 4H. You can click the card for both the haul video on that and the review. I got these at Hobby Lobby for $2. You can see $2. Oh, wow. That was supposed to be smooth. Oh, I'm just messing this up. Okay. So, yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I have the second to darkest color. I also have the 4H and the 6H. My Hobby Lobby only carries a couple of these, not all of them. Like the other Kimberly drawing pencils, they have the gold detailing on the end and the gold letters, which I really like. You can see they've come pre-sharpened, which is always nice. I am going to test the sharpener on this because last time when I sharpened the 6H, it turned out really weird, so let me go grab a sharpener real quick. Alright, so that sharpened alright. It's a little rough, but that's okay. And so it's 8B, so it's pretty dark. Let's test that out. Alright, so this is the first factory sharpened pencil. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I don't know if that's picking up on camera. Yeah, it's pretty dark compared to a lighter pencil. Now, what I want to do here, this is the sharpened pencil. Like, I sharpened it myself. Alright, that one looks a little darker actually. I don't know how, they're the same pencil, but cool. Maybe I just pressed a little harder. I'm going to use a relatively clean blending stump and my finger. Alright, so it definitely doesn't blend out. It mostly just smudges everywhere, which is fine. Okay, now we're going to try blending with this relatively clean blending stump. It blended out a lot better. This is with my finger, this is with the blending stump, and that definitely blended out a lot better. That's my review test video of the General's Kimberly drawing pencil in 8B. If you're interested in seeing my other drawing pencil review videos, click the card or the playlist or whatever I decide to do. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more art reviews from us. Comment down below what other videos you want to see. We're always looking for new ideas. And yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day. Bye!